Okay, say hi. Hi, I'm Vincent.
Hi, Mom.
Say, I'm Vincent. This is my sister Violet.
Hey, who's that? Vincent.
Who is this right here?
Vincent.
Who are you holding?
I got her.
You do, you got her.
You do. You're holding Sissy.
He's a baby.
Baby.
Can you sing to her?
See? Oh.
Do you love her? Say hi.
What's your name? What's her name? What's your name?
Who are you?
Vincent.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Good job.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Dad.
What's your name?
Mom. Dad.
Who's this? Yeah, you're gonna hold her, yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
she is
she's
sleepy.
sleepy. Can you give her a kiss? She wants a sweet kiss. Oh.
Show her your muscles. Show her your muscles.
Can I see muscles?
Muscles.
Ooh, wow, you're too big. Uh-oh, Sissy. You gotta
better-
hold her.
You gotta hold her. Oh, you got her. Good.
Good job.
Good job. You're big. Can you say bye-bye?
Give her a big kiss goodbye.
No.
No, don't put it. She can't. No.
There you go. Good job. No. Like that.
Okay.
Hey, sing with the Smurfs. Dr. Mayo.
Ooh, he's scary. Give the camera a kiss and say bye-bye. Give it a kiss. No, kiss it. Kiss it. No.
Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Blow him a kiss. Mwah.
Beep. Okay, bye-bye.